Hi, Yuan.
Hi, Ku.
I just wanted to stop by and find out what is the latest stuff that you've been working on.
Yes. I'm Yuan Lin. I'm the compiler engineer in the compiler optimization and the parallelization team within Sun Studio compiler organization.
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'm working on is trying to make parallel programming easier for our developers on multi-core systems like AMD chips. So the particular project I'm working on is OpenMP implementation and specification design. So we just delivered actually the first compiler that implements OpenMP 3.0.
Yes, that's very cool.
Yeah. So OpenMP is a standard that's used by developers to develop multi-core applications. It makes parallel programming much easier than using traditional ways to write multi-threaded applications. The 3.0 introduced many new features like tasking, which is especially useful for recursive parallelism and dynamic generated tasks. So they makes the many more applications can go multi-threaded. So we did our implementation. It runs beautifully on AMD systems.
And from what I understand, OpenMP and OpenMP 3.0 in particular is really finding its way into the mainstream, and with all these new features that make it much more easier to create parallel apps.
Yes, we see more and more users are adopting OpenMP.
That's really exciting.
Yes.
And what are some of the other tools within Sun Studio that can help me debug my application and just help me create applications in an easier way?
Yeah, I'm glad you mentioned that we have a special tool called the Sun Studio Thread Analyzer, which is designed especially for those problems. So when you develop multi-thread applications, you may run into problems like data race and deadlocks. Those problems are not available. Those problems do not appear when you're developing sequential applications. And sequential debugging tools may not help in this case. So this tool called the Sun Studio Thread Analyzer can help you find the data race and deadlocks much easier. It can make the process of debugging thread applications much shorter.
Okay, so it looks like Sun Studio offers a lot of tools to help me easily create multi-threaded applications through compiler support and tools to help with the specific challenges that arise from parallelism. Can you tell us a little bit about the newest AMD systems which are coming out, particularly Shanghai, and some of the features it has to help me create really high-performance parallel apps?
Yes, and we are seeing that more and more chips are going multi-cores, and we probably offer the best tools and compilers that can leverage all these features. And we are working closely with AMD engineers to leverage all the features available on the new coming Shanghai chips. And all the applications we run and all the applications that we compile using our compiler and tools runs beautifully on AMD systems.
Sounds great. Thanks for your time today, Yuan.
Thank you.